Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again, one of the stock pick of the day, trying to help find you guys some value in this volatile market. I know it's pretty crazy out there, down significantly one day, little rebounds the next. We're going to take a look at CVS today, one I'm sure you're all well aware of. It's been all over the country as I've moved around. Everywhere that I've been, there's been a CVS pharmacy. So let's take a look. Across a little bit more about CVS. Across CVS Health, from face-to-face, at-home, virtual care, we offer a wide range of services to meet you as a patient, customer, or member at every step of your way of your healthcare journey. Guys, they fill prescriptions. You go in there and buy Band-Aids, stuff like that. They offer shots. I know they do some more stuff and are changing around a little bit more of what they offer in store as far as shots and prescription drugs. They have their own brands as well as the main brands as well. And if you want a little bit more information, you can find more information at www.cvshealth.com. As of the close of business on April 27th, they closed at $100.85, so down 0.57% on the day. Ticker CVS Health Corporation. This is one in my portfolio. I am long on CVS. I was into this last year when it was around $70 per share. It has run up significantly. It hit, I think, 180, 100. Well, let's look down here. 111.25 recently was the high, low of 75.22. So I was actually picking it up back here in the $75 to $79 range, and have been waiting for it to start pull back so I can add a little bit more. So this is one that I'm going to be watching. As you can see, it was down more the day, recovered a little bit, and then pulled back. So it might be one to take a look at. Market cap of 132.435 billion, has a beta of 0.79, so less volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 16.95, pretty good. Anything under 18 in this market, I think anything under 20 in this market is really good. But as the market pulls back, guys, you want to watch these PE ratios. Usually around 15 to 18 is normal range. Does have a forward dividend of $2.20, pays out annually, quarterly, so divide that by 4, and a dividend yield of 2.17%. So it is a pretty decent paying dividend yield. And when I was getting it back here at 75 set to 79, I think it was more in the 2.5 to 2.7 range. So again, the cheaper you can get it, the higher the dividend yield will be. Ex-dividend date of April 21st, 2022, so just missed the last ex-dividend date. So if you did buy it now, you will not get the next dividend. You'd have to wait until the following quarter. And this information is brought to you by Yahoo Finance. They have a $117.09 target date. I am not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I pulled the information from. So if you wanted to check out some stocks on your own, you could check them out there to get the information like this. Again, CVS Health Corporation's ticker CVS. According to 34 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, they call it a consensus buy. They have a low estimate of $98.98. That would be a negative 1.85% pullback from where it is now. So again, might be one to watch, see if it continues to pull back. Their average target is $119.43, which would be an 18.42% upside from where it currently sits. And if it hit the high, $131.25, that would be 30.14% increase in stock price, along with the dividend, guys. Not a bad one. Again, CVS isn't going anywhere. It's on almost every corner in every city has one, guys. So it's one for the long term, in my opinion. And this information was brought to you by stockanalysis.com. Again, I am not affiliated, just where I pull this information from and wanted to share with you. So if you wanted to look up some stocks and get this type of analysis as well, and you don't just look at the forecast, but you can go and look at overview of the company, some financials, the statistics on the company, what the dividends are, like we just looked at, profile, some of the charts. So there's a lot of information in these Yahoo Finance, stock analysis. There's other sites out there, guys, but these are just two that I really like, so I thought I would share. These are supposed to be quick hitters, guys, trying to bring you stocks that I see value in as they pull back in these volatile markets. So as always, I appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing, maybe a little bit of time. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions. If you have suggestions for future content, guys, stuff you want me to cover, stocks you want me to cover, drop them down in the comments down below. Always interested in knowing what's going on with you guys and your portfolios. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you are not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria to seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.